Hello, this is Clark Castle from Engineering Innovation reporting to you live today from Miami, Florida. Today we're going to talk about how Engineering Innovation partnered with eZone, a Miami-based international consolidator, to add automation to its package processing system and position them to become more efficient and more competitive in their market. eZone operates in the cross-border e-commerce space, meaning they deliver packages to people and businesses in other countries who are ordering merchandise from e-commerce retailers in the U.S. and across the globe. This creates a host of processing challenges unique to this industry. To avoid exorbitant shipping charges and to expedite package delivery, these international customers work with eZone. Customer orders are addressed and shipped to eZone's Miami facility, where they get processed and then routed through the eZone shipping network for direct delivery to their customers in the Western Hemisphere, Europe, and Africa. The key to quick processing is the ability to rapidly induct packages into the eZone business system, which is accomplished with the Chameleon parcel processing solution from Engineering Innovation. So allow me to introduce you to the Chief Operating Officer of eZone, Jean-Paul Pierre.
When we started in this business over 20 years ago, we were breaking new ground in Caribbean markets for the logistics and shipping of online shopping packages. Back then, the process of receiving and sorting packages was very much a manual one, and it still is today. But with the growth of the business, we needed to be more efficient. We needed to process more shipments in a shorter time period. This would help us be more competitive. Coupled with good customer service, it is what makes us number one. Having state-of-the-art machinery, such as the Chameleon, has once more allowed us blaze new trails in delivering excellence in customer service. Partnering with Engineering Innovation was a good fit for both of us. We needed an automation solution that would set us apart from the other logistics and shipping operators, particularly as the business has grown and expanded into markets in Europe and Africa. eZone is not your typical mail facility. We handle a lot of packages of all shapes and sizes, which can pose unique automation challenges. The Chameleon has risen to those challenges and resolved them. When we experienced what the Chameleon could do, we were wowed by the suite of features that fit and even exceeded our needs. It gives us room to grow further, making this a great investment and upgrade in our operational infrastructure and a no-brainer for the future of our business.
When incoming packages are inducted onto the machine, a picture is taken of the shipping label and the U.S. carrier's tracking barcode is scanned. eZone customers have a unique identifier in the address block that enables eZone to identify the customer. But if the customer can provide eZone advanced notification of a specific order via eZone, which is eZone's online pre-alert feature in their customer portal, the Chameleon can identify the order via the tracking barcode on the package shipping label and more rapidly process the piece by avoiding some of the downline work required for customs.
Operations is not just about keeping the plant running, but about finding new and better ways to do what we do. Knowing that the speed of our service to the last mile of delivery is important to our customers. At eZone, we are driven to create efficiencies in our day-to-day processes, and that is exactly what the Chameleon has done for us. From the electronic eye that scans the packages to labeling and sorting, my team and I are very impressed by the capabilities of the Chameleon. It surpassed our expectations, and as a result, we are finding ourselves adjusting other areas of the business to ensure that we maximize the benefit of this machine's capabilities. I was concerned initially that we would have to make major changes in the warehouse to accommodate the Chameleon. It has turned out to be quite the opposite. The machine is in fact surprisingly compact. It fits neatly into space that allows a free flow of bins to and from the sorting area, helping to make the process faster and significantly reduce downline delays. The Chameleon has allowed eZone to realize huge benefits to the operations and ultimately the business overall. The package journey through the Chameleon begins by placing it label side down so the electronic eye can read the label and sort it to the appropriate bin. Packages that have been alerted with EasyLeet will move to the bin for fast tracking through the sorting and delivery system. Packages that are not pre-alerted move to a secondary sorting area where the customer's information is double-checked for the process to continue. To see the Chameleon in action sorting hundreds of packages per hour compared to what was done manually before is like comparing day and night. At eZone, innovation is part of our DNA, so embracing the technology and innovation of this machine is table stakes for our operations as we continue to find new and better ways to satisfy our customers.